25,000 teachers and staff in West Bengal have stopped reporting to schools after the Supreme Court cancelled their appointments in the infamous bribe for job scam. Now, the ruling has come at a crucial time as many schools are in the middle of exams, leaving junior, secondary to higher secondary institutions scrambling to manage. Now, the absence of teachers and key staff has triggered a full-blown crisis with no immediate response from the Education Department. Let's tell you, meanwhile, they're set to attend a meeting with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to demand their reinstatement. Remember, the top court had slammed the Mamata Banerjee administration last week for enabling corruption and failing to protect merit-based appointments.
তালিকা বাদ গেল কেন সেটা আমি জানি না, কিন্তু আমি তো কোনো অন্যায় করিনি। আমি পরীক্ষা দিয়ে পাস করে এখানে চাকরি পেয়েছি, ইন্টারভিউ হয়েছে, ভেরিফিকেশন হয়েছে, কাউন্সিলিং হয়েছে, তারপর চাকরি নিজের যোগ্যতায় সেই চাকরি পড়াশোনা শুনছি বাদ। কেন বাদ হলো আমি জানি না, তবে শুনছি খবর কাগজের মাধ্যমে যে অযোগ্য লোকদের বাঁচাতে যোগ্যদেরকে বলে দেওয়া হবে। সেই সময় ট্রান্সফার ছিল না, উচ্চশ্রী বা কোনো প্রধান ছিল না। আমি পরীক্ষা দিয়ে ট্রান্সফার নিয়েছি, এসএসসি পরীক্ষা দিয়ে ট্রান্সফার নিয়েছি।
Cutting across to my colleague Ritik Mondal. Ritik, very good morning. Given the fact that there is a sense of struggle with that particular crisis and it's a deadlock that continues, one can only hope with that meeting might turn out to be fruitful. But given the situation and the demands that have been put forth, what are we given to understand at this point?
Well, good morning. Let me tell you that today is a very crucial day. Days after the Supreme Court, following the Supreme Court verdict in which now the fate of nearly 26,000 odd teachers in limbo, and as Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, has assured that today's crucial meeting that is going to take place at Kolkata's Netaji Indoor Stadium around 12 p.m. And she would try to, find out a solution. And what we can see just ahead of this crucial meeting, absolute chaotic situation at the doorstep of Netaji Indoor. Mostly, remember, the deadlock remains over these things. Who are the eligible candidates and who are tainted? Because the government has failed to categorize the tainted, candidates or the teachers, and which led a huge chaos. I would request my camera person to pan the camera and show the kind of ruckus and clashes are happening in last couple of hours at the doorstep of Netaji Indoor, where they are trying to somehow get into that particular premises. Now, what we are given to understand, a lot of people who have arrived over here, they said they do not have the valid passes and they do not have any idea that it would require a pass by the authority, by the concerned authority, and that led a huge clash. Several rounds, cops have been deployed over here. Now, it is remained to see that what happened next, because these teachers, many of them spend sleepless night at Kolkata streets and at Shahid Minar, and today 12 noon is the time when Mamata Banerjee will be arrive here, and we also expect the Education Minister Brato Boshu will also be present. And remember, in last couple of days, since this huge setback, the government has faced a huge setback following the Apex Court order in which nearly 26,000 teachers job was axed, and why we did not get any solution, be it from the Brato Boshu, who is the Education Minister, or the SSC Council. The court has directed to find out a solution and also initiate the recruitment procedure within 3 months given time frame. Now Mamata Banerjee wants to address these people, but as per the students is concerned, teachers are concerned, they said that they would want to hear only one thing from the Chief Minister, that who are eligible candidates and their jobs are secured. So this is what is the ground reality over here. Lot of politics just ahead of this crucial meeting that is going to take place at Kolkata's Netaji Indoor Stadium at 12 noon around. Back to you.
Right, Ritik. Thank you for joining us with the latest and also giving us a quick sense of what that's going to be looking like. Of course, we trust you to keep us ahead, so we'll keep coming back to you. But for the moment, we leave the conversation at that.